Hey guys, welcome to Dab's Fabrications. Well, we're up here on the loft area of the storage room that I built to try to get some stuff up here, like all this stuff right now. But it's wintertime. It's really cold right now. But I'm remembering summertime, and that's crazy. This roof right here, it's like 150 degrees. Sun shines on this side of the building all like almost all day. Comes up and goes over that way. So instead of packing a bunch of stuff up here, I'm gonna insulate as much as I can up here. I'd kind of, for sure, I want to insulate this wall from at least back in that corner back there to up here, and the ceiling, and back that way a little bit, so that maybe so much heat's not coming in on this stuff. I don't want to melt stuff, or even worse, catch something on fire. I don't think that would happen, but I don't want something like that to happen. I'm gonna move all this stuff to the edge of the loft over here. Start working on this wall. I've got some insulation left over, very little. I've got some OSB left over from the storage room, very little. But at least it'll get me started. We can get things going, you know what I mean? So let me get this stuff moved. We'll take some measurements. I got my knee pads on. I got my work dudes on. We're ready to go. So let's go. I remember one time my wife bought like a packet of ladybugs. It's supposed to be good for the plants. I don't know, they eat other bugs or something. I don't even know. But I remember her buying some. But not here, not in Texas. They come out of nowhere. So now that I'm back here taking a better look at this thing, I think I want to go buy maybe some light gauge steel. What I could do is like tack it top and bottom, so I have a place to screw in the wood, screw in the OSB up here too. I don't know if that'll make things easier or if it'll make it harder. I'll get back at you. So I was climbing down to try to figure this whole dilemma out. And then I started thinking, what if I spray foam this? I can't afford to spray foam the whole shop, but maybe this little section up here above the loft, above the storage room, maybe I should price that. I think they even have them, do it yourself tanks, hoses. You spray the stuff up here. Maybe I should check into that. That might be cool. Sounds messy. Sounds messy. Let me think about it. Either way, we'll figure it out. I decided right now I'm just going to use what I have to get started. So I'm going to speed you up. We're going to take some measurements. Here we go. Dab's getting angry. I gotta step away. Try to figure this thing out. Maybe get some tape. Something. I don't know. Working in these cramped spaces and things going wrong, and you just want to punch something. But it's a simple gig. We just got to figure out how to make it work. I'll be back. Okay, I found some tape. I found some of this blue tape for painting. I found some of this red tape. It's kind of like duct tape. It's kind of like plastic tape or something. I don't know. Kind of lighter. We'll see if that works. I got duct tape. We'll see if that works. If not, we'll call in the big guns. This is plumber's tape. It's just metal stripping. Screw it to one end, screw it to the other end, stuff it in there. I don't know. I'm just getting kind of angry. So at this point, I'll try anything. Let's get back to this thing. And we'll see what happens.
All right, that was a bunch of craziness. I put that one support piece in, and then I forgot to anchor it. Insulation. I forgot to anchor it top and bottom. I don't know. So I was just making more hard work for myself. And then the screws that I got, the tip that they gave me with it was a piece of shit. So I had to go find mine. It was just stripping out the screws. But that tape worked. The tape worked really well for the insulation. So, and that's cheap. So that's what we're going to be doing for the rest of this wall right here. Right now, we ended up at 4 feet right here. I think it was 2'3" down there, 4 feet up here. So we're going to lay another piece of 4 foot by 8. And wherever that goes, I'll put up another piece of wood, and we'll get that screwed in, put tape, put the insulation. That's going to start coming together. That right there, hardest one, because it's the first up here in this loft, and working up here sucks, as you can see. And then plus I screwed myself again because I put all this stuff up here, and I'm not willing to take it down because there's really nowhere to put it. So anyway, stick with me. We'll get this. I mean, believe it or not, I'm not a professional insulator. Okay, let's go get this piece of wood. Get it up here before this stuff falls down. So I don't know how much of that you were able to see with all the camera moving around and the wood coming in here. That was crazy and maybe a little bit dumb. Yeah, I put this piece of wood up the wrong way, I had to spin it around. Story of my life. But it's in. I got to screw the bottom down, screw the top down a little bit better. That's got to be obviously screwed in. And holy smokes, that was crazy. Okay, well, let me finish this one off. Believe it or not, that piece went in on the first shot. Laid it out up here, went down, cut it, brought it up here, and went in. That's crazy. Because that's the best thing that could have happened right now. If you can't tell, kind of over it. So I'm gonna end this video right here. We got this wall. I'm still gonna insulate up here. I just gotta figure out how I want to do it. I feel like the right way to do it would be to move all of this stuff. Or maybe now that I got this wall done, I can move everything over into this corner, do those walls over there. There's a vent over there that I'm gonna install that I made the box for. That's gonna be another video. I don't know when I'm gonna install that either. But this one is gonna end right here. I appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe. Subscribing would help me out tremendously. Please like, comment. I want to know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.